Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix location problem in Google Maps in your Android mobile. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on location. Now first of all turn on location services, and after turning it on check your internet connection. Now if your internet is working properly, then open settings again, scroll down and here click on apps. Now here click on app management and here search maps. Now open maps app and go to its storage. Now clear the app data and cache memory of maps, and here click on delete to confirm clear app data. And after doing this your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then open Google Play Store and here search maps. Now go to Google Maps and here click on uninstall and then click on update. Now after doing this your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.